What's going on, guys? My name is Ben and welcome back to another video. Today I am doing something a little bit different with the Z4. I will be wrapping it just in time for Christmas. I have some Christmas gift wrap. The plan is to wrap the entire car and then head over to Caffeine and Machine, which is around 22 miles from here. So hopefully the wrap stays on for that journey. And if it doesn't, then it'll be a good watch, won't it? There we have it then, guys. I am down at Caffeine and Machine. The Z4 is parked in pride place right in front of the house. I'm actually really impressed at how well the wrap held up. I was doing 55 miles an hour on the way here and hasn't even ripped that bad. Like, it still looks pretty good, to be fair. It is unfortunately just starting to rain, so I'm going to go ahead and close this video before it gets dark as well. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if I don't upload another video between now and Christmas, Merry Christmas to you all and a Happy New Year. Cheers.